That girl right there, wife. She gon' be my girlfriend. That girl right there, wife. She gon' be my girlfriend. I said, that girl right there, wife. She gon' be my girlfriend. That girl.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been inconsistent, guys, but I swear to you, it was because I'm taking classes, but I'm getting better, I promise. So today I've been getting a lot of people asking me how I do my brows. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick brow tutorial, and let's get right into it. Okay, so you guys, I don't really think I do my brows that special, but I am very particular about what I use. So I don't have a lot of brows, let's be honest, I don't, but I use what I got and I make it work. So I'm going to start with the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and I use the shade number 5. It is the second to last darkest shade that they have. Okay, now, again, I'm looking at my mirror. I'm just gonna actually bring it a little closer just so I can see. All right, so I usually start, this is my good brow, this is my stubborn brow. This brow has an arch, this one doesn't. It's very weird, but this brow respects me. So I start like kind of close to the front, and then I just go on back. I always clean up my brows afterwards to get the exact shape that I want, but this is good to start. I really don't have a lot of tail, so I follow the end of where my tail would be. I start there and I look just to make sure I'm getting the shape that I kind of want. Now I'm gonna go in with, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the name of this eyebrow gel has rubbed off, and I use this on the front of my brow to imitate brow hairs right in the front, and then I pass it through the rest of the brow as well. Okay, so when I tell y'all trust the process, because I know she's looking real thicky on her right now, but she's gonna come together. She's gonna come together. So next I'm going to clean her up a bit. So I use either, so I'm gonna use my Fenty concealer today, but I go between that and my Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. I like this shade a lot. I'll probably use this more so the top of my brow because it's a little bit darker. It's not a lot of highlight, but I use this one under the brow to get a nice crisp clean up there. I actually need my mirror a little closer to me. I can see exactly what's happening here. I'm trying to think I'm crazy. I'm not. I know what I'm doing here. Okay, so I think my camera might have cut out a little bit, but like I said, I go under, I clean up the brow with the concealer. I use the shade 420 for Fenty concealer, and I just cleaned it up. You can already see like there's a better definition, a little better of an arch underneath there. One thing I hate, guys, is a halo brow. Now, I don't know if you've ever heard that before, but it's like when you can see the concealer around somebody's eyebrow, I just want to go up to them like, blend it out. Blend it out. Please blend it out, because that is very annoying to me. So I'm going to clean up the top part of my brow. Sometimes I do this, sometimes I don't, but just for today, since I usually do it if I'm doing a full face, I'll show you guys what I do with that process. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my Too Faced concealer, and in that shade I use Toffee. And I'm just going to, I put some of that on the back of my hand as well. And I'm going to clean up the top portion of my brow. As you can see, this shade is a lot darker than the one underneath. And for me, that's okay. Right. So I do that, and then I usually blend it out. My brushes are over there, so I'm just gonna use my finger for now. Your finger is your friend too. So blend that out. This one I have a better chance of making this, you know, blend in, looking like my skin complexion, you know, when I do my brows. But so next I'm going to use, so this is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, and this is in the shade Brunette. Now that's clearly not anywhere close to my shade, not anywhere close, but I just use it right at the front to just add a little bit of dimension to the brows. All right, so I'm gonna go do the other brow off camera, do like a 5-minute face, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is my quick 5-minute face. I'm actually gonna give you guys a more in-depth video of how I do my 5-minute face. I'm actually about to run out, so this is really my 2-minute face, but these are how the brows are looking. I'm loving how they look. They don't always come out perfect every time, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you. Sometimes I get frustrated with my own eyebrows and I just walk away and leave it alone. But my eyebrows 99% of the time are sisters. They are not twins, but they come out in the end looking pretty cute. So thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you have that bell notification on the next time I upload a video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My name will be in the handle down below. I love you guys. Have a great day. Bye.